Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. And today in front of you here you can see guys, here's the Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus. Today we are going to do unboxing of this tab only guys. Actually this is Wi-Fi plus 5G variant, and I have purchased this tablet in Amazon.in at rupees cost of 19,000, and this is 8 GB RAM plus 120 GB variant guys, graphite color actually. Okay, let's come on guys, it's now time to do unboxing of this tab. Let's come on. Just I need to remove this side tapes and all first. Just I will remove it up. Okay, and okay guys, here you can see finally just I have removed this. Let's now it's time to open it out. Let's come on. Let's open this. Now it's time to take this out. Okay, you can see, and nothing inside this box guys. You can see it's just an empty box. Just keep that aside, and here you can see here's the Samsung branding is here. And now let's take this out first. You can see here's the tab, Galaxy Tab A9 Plus. Just keep this aside. Just first let's we'll check out this guys. So what are all the things they have given? Just I'm going to open this out. Okay, first thing, they have provided a type C cable, but not a power adapter is not here. Just they have provided only type C, both type C side cable only. Just keep this aside. And then next thing is, okay, it's just kind of a manual guide for inserting SIM card, it seems. Just keep this aside. And here you can see guys, here's the SIM ejector tool. Here you can see here's the SIM ejector toolkit. Okay, let's keep this aside, this SIM ejector tool pin. Now remove this out. Okay, nothing inside this, that's it. Just keep this aside. Okay, here's the cable, and here's the Tab A9 Plus guys. Just now it's now time to remove this top layer paper. So let's go on. Okay, just we need to do this. Let's go on. Actually this is a graphite color guys. I purchased this in Amazon actually. Here you can see here's the gap. Here you can see how big it is. Actually this is a 11-inch tab guys, not only this. And in backside here you can see here's the camera, it's here. And here side is Samsung branding font is there. That's it, it's good. Hi, see. And guys, before just turning on, just I will explain the basic overall features of this tablet. Actually guys, this is a Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus. This is a Wi-Fi plus 5G variant, and I have purchased 8 GB RAM and plus 120 GB variant. Not only this, and it is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon SM6375 processor guys. And the rear camera is 8 MP and front camera is 5 MP guys. It was surrounded with quad speakers too, and the battery is 7040 mAh battery is there inside this tab. And there's one physical SIM slot is there. It is a nano type actually. And where is the SIM slot? Just we need to check it out. Here, I think it's here guys. Here you can see here's the SIM slot is here. And guys, here you can see here's the SIM slot is here actually, you can see. And okay, where is the power button? I think it's here. Here you can see here's the power button. Okay guys, let's come on. It's now time to turn it on. Okay, now we have turned on. Here you can see Samsung Galaxy, circuit by Knox, it's good. Power by Android. And here's the type C put is here for charging purpose. Actually this is 11-inch tablet guys. They are providing a 1-year warranty too from Samsung side actually. Okay, it's turning on. Yeah, come on. Okay, welcome, it's good. Okay, let's click to start. Okay, just we need to accept this. Just read fully before clicking this agree button. Okay, You can see easy setup with another device. No, just I will set up manual itself. Just I will connect this Wi-Fi and all later, guys. Just I'm going to skip this now. Okay, and this is the standard time. Actually, date later I will change. Next, more. Okay guys, you can set a password and all if you need. Means just now currently just I'm going to skip. Later I will set these things and all. Okay, here is Samsung service permissions. If you need, means you can enable this, or else you can disable also. Just click agree, and here you can see here's the both the display mode is here, guys. One is light and another one is dark, but I'm going to choose a dark mode only. Let's see, it's good. Just click next. That's your wish, guys. You can select anything. Okay, from Samsung tutor. Okay, if you need, means you can download, or else just if you don't want this app, means just deselect it. Just click next. Okay guys, you're all set up. It's good. Just click to finish. Okay, it's good. Yeah, it's awesome, guys. Actually, you can see it's good, and it is very smooth, guys. Here you can see the touch and all. It's very smooth and it's good. Just click this for switching this. Okay, you can see you can switch here also. If you need to come back, means just click here. It's good, and overall this tab is very perfect, guys. Good, there is no issues. Actually, the processing and response is also very good. You can see how quick. Okay, and we will check a camera. Just open the camera. Here you can see, guys, the camera clarity is also awesome. Actually, it's good. Video, photo. Okay, it's good. Okay guys, regarding this video, that's all. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you're having any queries or doubt, means just ask in the below comment section, guys. Definitely I will reply, and do like us and subscribe our channel for more videos, guys. Bye. I will see you in next video.